go into the question answer sessions. I just recognized that I've forgotten to press the record button. So we may have the recording only from this part only, the second half. Shraddha keeps on making all of these mistakes. I'm so sorry. Here we go. Kiran Chetwa ATPL. Okay. Jai Sachidanand. It says all the Mahatmas get so much bliss. Is it because of is it of the S capital self, or was it is it the bliss of the self, or is it because of your presence? No, no, no. This is the result of the Ignan only, because when you go from within, there is infinite bliss within too. You see. So okay, so when the same people with the same bliss gather together, when there's a large gathering of the blissful people, then there is a Niagara Falls of bliss only. You see. Okay, now next to announced. This is the question and answer sessions, September 5 evening session, the last day of Parayana Vaptamana. Jai Sachidanand. We have just done the reading up to page 236. Now. Okay, yesterday I wrote something about Samaik, yes. And when the Siddha Stuti, when I was doing Siddha Stuti, then I felt as if that is, yes, the one when you don't take any sensual pleasures, that is the Atma at all. That is the Atma. Then you have said, is that the real Atma experience? Will you please explain? Okay, yes, it is the true experience of the self. It is not an imagination. You see the bliss that you're. Jai Sachidanand. Next one, page 177. Right. Okay. No, should we not have new foundations? Should we not? This is the mission of Lord Simandar. Deepak Bhai has got. Should we not be doing something that are new foundations? What we are doing through the Jagat Kalyan, there are the new foundations. What is our? No, don't disturb anything. And yes, if there is a small line next to you, you don't need to cut it down any further. Just increase your own line. All these Mahatmas that are increasing, everybody says that let Dada Bhagwan do the Jagat Kalyan. Hey Dada, Jagat Kalyan karo. Hey, you were Mok Sauj, let everybody, even the little boy, and even the little children are saying, hey Dada, Jagat Kalyan karo. The father, the little baby is saying it, the parents are saying it, everybody says. It is through those intentions. That is why Mahatmas are doing, they just increase the satsang everywhere, that's all, and everybody's clapping here. Just increase the satsang everywhere, that is all, you see. Yeah, just go where the satsangs are, go to the WMHD, etc. Yes, right. Just increase this, that's all, And now the next. So do we have to go? No. For that you don't need to do anything, or I don't have to do anything. You have to do it. You have to go to every village. No. So we need to have little temples and little village. Yeah. Yes. If you make halls like this everywhere, one place is fine. Let the Lord go in small places, but you don't need to make many similar cities. One similar city is enough. You see, here everybody can gather together, but when the villages, let the Lord be there in the little temples there, and the little villagers can get together and do the darshan of Lord Simandar. Next one. Jai Sachidanand Pujyashri. My question is this. It is with reference to the Siddhant. Supposing some human being has come from animal life, what is his effect? What is his prarabdha? He has got two kinds of effect. One is his natural effect. That is, and then he is naturally. There are two types of effects. One is the natural flow, and then the second effect is when he has made some mistakes as a human being. So he will spend 8 lives in the animal kingdom and then will come back. You see. So there are the two kinds of effect as a human being. One is the natural progression from animal to man, from 1 sense to 2 sense to 3 sense to 4 sense, and And so, so once in the, if he has will his like I said, it's all curious. Then there are others who come naturally through the natural flow of evolution. You see, it's a, it's a, no, no, no. Yeah, it's a, on the basis of law, there's a natural law. There is the effect. You see, the natural law is giving him the effect. If he has misbehaved as a human being in this life, then the natural law, the natural justice will take him in a different life form. You don't have to. Nobody is the doer there. The next one is Jai Sachidanand Deepak. So, what happens to Sangeeta is that her intellect is very heavy. That the intellect says wants it this way and that way. So then you see, then she takes pleasure in pleasant circumstances, and then she is all constantly trying to move away unpleasant circumstances. And in today's Samaik, I got all the solutions very good. This is very good. You see, this is a very good Samaik. This is the Samaik that was done this morning. Is a you see, is a good way to remove the intellect. There's a train moving behind, and we can hear the sound there. But anyway, the ego and intellect will not dissolve. But in 4 days, have you seen this magnificent? There are eight types of Samaik, you see, and so the ego and the intellect completely shut up, you see, and the Lord completely dissolves, and that is very good. So this is what we need to. We need to increase this level of awareness. Yes, we see the mistakes, but you see the Swarup Bhajna, the play of the self is very critical. In the Charun Vidhi is nothing but the play of the self. When you recite the sentences of the Charana Vidhi with applied awareness, it increases the awareness of the self. And this experience, I want this experience to increase. This once it has begun, it means the veils have been shattered, and therefore you know it will just. I had not thought for the Samaik of the sixth Suti, but it happened. You see, was making a list of different, but you know it happened. So it is a fantastic Samaik number 5 of this Parayan on the Siddh Stuti was so blissful, Deepak Bhai. It was so amazing. Yes, very good. Now the next one from Rajesh, and then Kiran Kothari. Jai Sachidanand. Jai Sachidanand Deepak Bhai. Boliye, speak up please. Yes. While doing Pratikraman, sometimes I get depressed, see. Why? It's because so this now we saw the mistakes, but now when we do, it says when I do Pratikraman I get depressed. No, you should not. You see, then you have to now to go into Pratyakhyan, that I will not do it again. After the Pratikraman, you should not get stuck into why it happened. You should move towards Pratyakhyan. The grace of the Dadashri has increased the light of the self, and now you need to get into the Nishchay, and no new mistakes are, that is, ask for no new energy, ask for new energies so that new mistakes will not happen. Make Rajesh do it. You be the Rainasile and make Shuddhatma make Rajesh do the Pratikraman, you see. But I cannot remain in the awareness of the separation. No. Do you understand? But when I'm doing Samaik, I fall asleep, he says. No. Then again, as soon as you wake up, then you can do it, right? He says, yes, whatever is happening, think about how you can get out of it, you see. You don't cry over the spilt milk, try to find out how you can move on forward. Don't complain, you see, right? I do not get the bliss, no, forget about, is the pain of the worldly life gone? Less worldly life pain, that will lead to the bliss of the self, you see. No, don't look for the bliss of the self first. At least find out, is there less pain in the worldly life? If there is less pain in your worldly life, that means you are moving in the right direction. Please bless me, Deepak Bhai. Yes. Next one. Prashant Mistry and Kiran Kothari. Question. Yesterday Samaik, last night was excellent. But then while doing the Samaik, Is there not the intellect in this kind of separation? No, no, 100% the intellect is not there in this separation. Now, I don't know. My question is, who is, yes, who is making all of these things arise in the Antakaran? Yes. Up until now, you see, because you were stung by hot milk, you were blowing on cold milk. You see, in other words, there is a proverb that if you are stung by very hot milk, then even when you get a cold drink, you will try to blow into it. You see, because the mind and intellect are asking for some kind of closure. You see, you can tell them there is nothing. You see, we just want the closure in the antakaran. In the samadhan, the closure will bring the samadhi. Samadhi means the state of complete closure. Nothing in the mind, speech, and body or the intellect is bothering you. That is the samadhi. Nothing in the antakaran or the bahyakaran is bothering you. Nothing in the internal mechanism or the external is bothering you. When we that if I do not get the closure, what should I do? Then read Dada's Vani and come to this kind of satsangs. You see, even if you just come and sit down here, you see, it will just absorb in you. You see, isn't this very good that you have had this experience? You see, becoming familiar in this satsang is the most critical thing. Coming here is very important. And so you see, there's the rust of infinite lifetimes is now being removed. You see. And all the junk, this acid, the Gnana acid is such that it will dissolve all the knots and within you, and it will make you nirgranth and become you ekavatari, ready for Lord Simandar in the next life. I do not want any effects, he says. You do not come under the effects of do not become effective. The file 1 will come under the effect, but you should not come under the effect of that. You, why capital should you say? Let the eater eat, let the sufferer suffer. You are beyond suffering. You are no matter what you eat, you see. So the eater is eating and let him eat. He must right now any problem that is happening is from the last life only. You should not get get too confused about any effects that happen. Asar, you say. I want to grant me the energy to remain the knower only, for sure. Next one, Jai Sachidanand, the next question. Kiran Kothari, yes. Let me just give me the chance to announce the others. Now say it now. Yesterday, Samaik of Siddhasuti was excellent. Both the morning and the evening were excellent. And what about the other ones? Were they not good? Your question is from yesterday. Yes, that was good. Yes. Yesterday was magnificent. It feels like there was not enough time, you see. And it felt like the Samaik just finished so quickly, you see. And in that Samaik, but before I could not see the pure soul in the other on file number 2. And I used to pray, Lord, Dada, let me see the pure soul in file 2. But now, when I went to bed, now I can. Before he was not there, so you couldn't see. Rhinozilla wasn't there. Now you can see him. I believe that he has brought me here, my file 2, and he is very beneficial to me. What it is happening that you see, the yellow glasses are of the opinions. You see, the yellow glasses make you form opinions about him. Remove those opinions. Remove those yellow glasses, and therefore you'll be able to see the Rhinozilla in your husband, file number 2. You see, right now, you see. So now today I will do the Sharan Vidhi with very beautiful Upayog, awakened awareness, and you can say. So if I can be in this kind of, but when I go back to Moh Mai Nagri, which is Mumbai, if I go to Bombay, the city of illusions, then it will go away. No. You will carry within a year. You carry this energy with you, and so you see it. So it will come back. It's because you come. You see. So this knowledge is increasing. When the bliss increases, when your state becomes that, then nothing in the world, no matter where you are, you will be affected. You see. Come to satsang. Yes, for sure, Deepak boy. Next one. Pavel Gungagya and Viparabai Raval. Now these are the other ones now. Praveen Raval and Pavel Gungagya. Manohar Suthar. These are all different ones. And Manohar Suthar. Dhara Parik. speak a, when I am enjoying pleasure, I enjoy it. I really, the intellect tells me that it's good. Then why do I sit? When I am enjoying physical pleasures, then why? Yes, there is pleasure. You see, the relative person will enjoy the pleasure, but you, the awakened one, needs to know and understand. The ego and the intellect will always say that this is pleasant, but you, the awakened one, has to say that there is no pleasure in it. The one who is separated has to say that there is no pleasure. You have to talk to her and say, oh, you will have the pleasure, but it is pleasure pain, it is temporary, whereas I am the blissful one. That is how you have to apply it, you see, because the pleasure is there for the senses. Is that not deceit? Is that not deceit that am I not employing deceit that on one side she is enjoying pleasure and the other time she is saying that I'm beyond that, I'm the blissful one? No. That it in fact, you see, in fact, this is the way to become absolutely free from the deceit, because you are the blissful one, and now you are being the blissful one. But when you are over, when you are nada, then that is where the deception is. You see, the deception is the kapat. The deception means I am over, I am nada, I am kachya. You see, when bliss means in whatever situation, you see, then that is called bliss. In bliss that arises. You see, if you have not cleaned your tongue, you will not enjoy ice cream. You see, this is the way it is. Whereas, because these are all effects of the body only. These are all effects of the non-self complex. These are not effects to you. This is the way to break kapat or deception. We are saying that there is you see that there is no true bliss in the non-self. You see, but I feel that. But then I wonder that later on I will get the. Okay, but maybe no. But but then I feel that I will get the pleasure later on. Dadashi says, I too enjoy the ice cream, but I say I know that it is the pleasure is being derived by the tongue. You see, it's when the business gets the profit, the Dada says the business gets the profit. I did not get the profit. You see, the business got the profit, the business got the loss, the body got the pleasure, the body got the pain. You see, and you remain in the separation of the knower bliss only. The knower is in bliss only. Whatever touches you, it is all pudgal. You see, the five senses are of the body only. You see, roop, ras, gandh, sprash. It is like the beauty and the form. It has got a taste, and it is touch, and it is also smell. You see, all of these four things: good smell, bad smell. All of these are of the pudgal only. But now we are saying that with the exception of the S capital self bliss, I do not want anything temporary pleasure in this world, and it will happen. But at the time of eating, I do not remember it. But it does not remain, But in the 24 hours, if you are aware of it, within 24 hours, and even at home, even if you just look at the book and then write your answers, you will be passed. You see. So then should I keep it that? He said, but I do believe that there is pleasure in eating everything and etc. Right? And it is in belief only. It is kalpit sukh. It is kalpa. It is imagined because we have believed that pleasure exists in eating food in the last life, and therefore the result we believe that the food is pleasant. You see, but now when those old layers go away and the new ones not come, then you will be fine. You see. And you just imagine, supposing in the last life, because no, then it will not happen, right? You see. So, but there is the sukh only, right? So there is that. This is the effect of the subatomic particles only, and nothing else. You see, a very very hungry man will not have. It says so. It is the hunger that makes him feel that it is pleasant. You see, the inner hunger of the ego. Now, two more are being announced. Now, so and since we have the audio, there is no problem, because since we have the audio, the two more will be. We can always replay it and just feed the audio completely, and we will have the video also. So now in this Samai today. And it believes that I am in the Samayik I feel that I am separated, but at the same time the inner ones are also saying that you say that you are separate, but there is a friction between the inner one and the knower. The knower says I am separate, and the inner one says, no, that won't do, you have to kind of be with me. So there is the confusion is between the knower and the doer, you see. Therefore, many times, because I have heard so much about we are the Shuddhatma, Dada says you are Rhinocele only, then yes, I am saying, but when the faults come in front, when I am looking at the faults and in the Samayik, then I believe that they still exist within me. So then what is it? Therefore, Deepak says you have to understand. Who knows that this is all happening? You are the knower. Who you talk about that the faults drag me in the other directions, and the friction arises, etc. And that there's all kinds of problems. And when I got mixed and I became Tanmayakar, I became engrossed. The knower of it, there are three parts. You see, then it arises, that part one. Then there is the friction and the tug of war inside, and then there's you are, and you are the blissful seer of all of this drama that is happening in the Samayik. You see, you have to sit in the third home department and then see the one and two. This is Mangal Das, this is Bhavo, the one who is fighting this way or this way. You talk about the three part, I understand, but what happens is that on one side there is the bliss of the self, then there is the load of seeing the faults, and it is happening to the Baba. And then who does it? Baba has the ras and niras. Ras means Baba has got some juice of interest in it, and nirasta means no juice of interest. You see, but you are not the Bhavo, you are not the middleman who has interest or disinterest in it. You are not the peripheral body complex. You are not one and two, you are three. You see, I am the number three. And so you don't need to be worried about it. You don't need to be worried about what you see in Samayik, you see. You need to understand that this is filled stock only, and it is one part is of Mangaldas, a mind, speech and body, and then the mind, speech and body is of Mangaldas, and then intellect, ego and chit is of the Bhavo. Ego, intellect and chit is the Bhavo, the middleman, and then there is Prajna, is the one of the energy that is seeing it all, you see. Because so you should say, just tell the Bhavo that you are niras, you are disinterested a little bit because of a little bit of renunciation feeling here and dispassion feeling here, but I am aware that you have got the interest as well as disinterest, you have passion as well as dispassion. You are the middle one, you are the one with the intellect, chit and ego, you see. But you have to remain in the home department of the S capital self, and you have to dissolve this this that has arisen in effect, which is of the peripheral body and the middle one. Is this the process? This is the only process. Yes, I know that we know that this is the S capital self, but is this the process? But on the other side, but when I am analyzing when I feel that I have all of these things within me, I have all the mistakes within me too. But you have to say, yes, the mistakes are there, but the faults are there, but the faults are yours, Suve, they are not mine. I am the blissful one. That is how you have to say it, you see. Yes, the faults are there, but the faults are yours, Katya, they are not mine. This is how you have to make the separation. The subtle separation between the Mangadas and the Bhavo are on the other side of the line of demarcation. One belongs to the body, mind and speech, and the other one is with reference to the chit, ego, and the intellect. You see, the chit, ego and intellect are the middleman, the Bhavo, you see. And if she is not doing the Pratikraman properly, make her do the Pratikraman. If she is not doing the Pratyakyan, let her do the Pratyakyan. You see, mind is just simply discharging, and then speech is discharging, the body is discharging, but it is the middle one who has got the wrong understanding that needs to be corrected. Only once you correct his opinions and mistakes, then you see the inner connection that kind of binds you between the two, the S capital self, the middle one needs to be dissolved only. Just be aware if you want to be, otherwise you just can say, separate it directly, that this is yours, Uwe, this is yours, Katya, and be done with it, that's all, you see, not mine. Next one. Asha Navsari, Jai Sachidanand. I am asking for the first time. Always the intellect used to tell me that there are so many questions that My intellect says that everything, the other has given us everything. The Gnanvani has got so much. We are attending so many satsangs. There is so much answers coming. So I suck. Because if we can do the, if we can answer that, why should we disturb Pujya Shri? Why should we disturb the other? Yes, you could just talk, you see. Because, and if you have to ask yourself, if it rises within you, then ask it. You see, it's neither a question of asking nor asking. You see, let it happen. Okay, go on. Yeah. Another thing is, I saw in Niruma's cassette that, I heard that, I cannot see a single woman who can move forward. I said, what is it lacking in a woman that you just understand within? Just find out whose is it. Is it here? This belongs to the non-self. It belongs to the neighbor. Why should you be worried about the daughter of the neighbor or the child of the neighbor? Find out who you are and focus on you. You see, am I Usha or am I Shuddhatma? Do you understand? But one more question. Today I do feel for 2 to 3. But today for 2 to 3 days I see, when you tell me to look at this thing, I see the knots, then there are so many things I start saying, yes, then see, then having seen it all, then come back. They are all drashya, and they are all that to be seen and that to be known, and you are the blissful one. But whatever you see now, apply the 5 agnas and settle with it. Settle the 5 agnas. But you get so bogged up in saying that, or I was willful, I was illusory attached in it. You see, 4 steps and 5 levels. Just go to the first one. If somebody is hurting, step 1, then make her do this thing. And when you are suffering, then just keep it separate. The first 2 steps are the most important thing, you see. No matter what it is, even if it is 7 or 12 knots, it will get separated, you see. Do you hurt anyone or are you get hurt by anyone? These are the first 2 steps. That's only step 1, you hurting someone. Step 2, you are getting hurt by others, you see. These are the things that this is the thing, let it just, you don't want to get totally uprooted, just go, do it slowly if you can't do it completely. Next one. And now, with reference to sexuality, which is, and dvesh and dvesh parinam, in this dvesh, where parinam, dvesh effects, and vishay, sexuality, I have asked you 3 years ago, file is not really a file. It is, it's not a file, but it is, whenever there is a file, there is a prajna will flash that it is a file. But with awareness, I cannot keep it. It is a file. So every day samayik, I use the 4 steps and 5 levels. I can see the whole track of the file. I can see the different phases of the file, how it is hurtful with reference to sexuality, etc. But when the file comes in front, I cannot see those tracks. You see, how can I keep that awareness? In other words, he has been shown the 4 steps and the 5 steps and the 5 levels, 4 steps and the 5 levels. You see, so what am I? This is like this. When the mistakes are very sticky, the awareness will not remain. When the file separates, that is when the awareness comes, and at that time you can replay the action and then kind of mistake and correct it. Then do the pratikraman and the pratyakyan, that see her pure soul, that is full stop, this is the account of sexuality, and then settle the file with equanimity. But even later, and then later on. So, but while the force of the file of sex is very heavy, at that time the awareness is not enough to really keep it separate, you see, and to keep it. But as you become strong in your nishchay, the S capital self, then the jagruti will be there, the awareness will be there automatically. Do not be too concerned that it is not happening. When one is aware in the beginning and one is aware at the end, the intervening time, you are aware, you see. So, but you see, if you are aware in the beginning and if you are aware in the end, then you get the total benefit of the awareness. You have washed it off at the end, that is all. And so you become free. So you need to see this, you see, you need to find out how it happened. And you need to be heavy on the agnas, you see, heavy, and your opinions will wash off, and you will see the filled stock, you will see the Shuddhatma, you will become free from Rag, Dvesh, etc. In Niruma's Satsang, I had heard that we have to have this, the entire effect in our awareness. If you keep on understanding, the more if you understand, can you not start understanding We do not want to increase the file, that you want to decrease the file, that you want to become free. Before you were not aware of moha, the illusory attachment. You were not aware of the ragdvesh. You were not aware of the dangers of sexuality. But now you are aware. But now I know that I apply the handle of Gnan. But when you are in the Nishchay, that is the handle of Gnan. You see, the next one is Suresh Vakil from Navsari. First question, I got my answer. My first question is in the yesterday Samayik Mother to see the soul. Yeah, I could see that all of them, but I am. It is my Swarup. Because I could see everyone in me, but at least you got the positive effect. But I could not believe, I could not feel that it is I only. How can I set it? No. Why are you? Why? It is at the last station that I am in all. I am the one. You and I are one. But as long as you have separation with other person, when there is no separation, when you believe that there is a fault, then you cannot really become the S capital self. You see, in the Samayik, when you continue to see the self only, but don't say that I am the one in him too. That is the ultimate stage. I am you. I am you is the ultimate state. Why do you want to jump to the last stage? You say, you immediately say, oh, that remained. You see, you have to look at the pure soul first. You see, and when you become absolutely free from mistakes, then you will be everything else. I am you only. I am you only. I am you only. I am you only. You see, that is the ultimate only. So that is the final state. But you see, right now, just as you are separate from the other person, from your Philstock, in the same way the other person is Rainer Zille, free from his own Philstock, you see. And so right now you have to settle the files with equanimity through five agnas, and then that final state will come, that I am you only, I am everywhere only. Next one next one is coming up. Jai Sachidanand Deepak Bhai. The question is, Atma is Moksha Swarup. So this non-self and the self, it arose. Atma is actually has got the moksha, but so I feel that, but originally by nature is moksha Swarup. The self is by nature in moksha only. Its nature, no matter where you mix it, or it will never sink. But you need to become aware of it, you see. As long as there is ignorance, you are not aware that you are in bliss. As long as you are in ignorance, you are not aware that you are the blissful one. And therefore you are the sufferer and the doer. And when you become the knower, the ice does not need any coolness. The ice by very nature is cool and cold. The ego is the heat, you see, and the ego lets you move away from the cool, blissful one that you are. You see, that is the Vibhav Dasha. I am over, I am Katya, I am Anada. So can we say that ego has not seen moksha? Yes. Jai Sachidanand. The next one is Sanjay Vora from Mumbai. When I came for the first time on the second day, I could not come to the second day of satsang. Then I prayed to Dada that, Dada, I want to attend the satsang. Please grant me. And as soon as in the free time, I did that for the days. So today, so my but now my file 2 is taken. No, it's fine. Go ahead. So my file 2, my husband has told me you can remain here. I am so happy because I prayed. My file 2, my husband told me, yes, you can stay here in satsang. Very good. And she is very next one. And so when bliss comes from Shuddhatma only, but when I am wearing good clothes and when I am wearing ornaments, really, it's the ego that is enjoying the good clothes and the ornament and the gold jewelry. Right now, the ego is enjoying the good clothes, and so because the ego that wanted the good clothes and the jewelry gets it, and wanted it in cause, it gets in effect. But I know that the self, the bliss lies only in the self only, and Kiran has totally separated. Before I was not having the experience, now I am getting it. but now, but I know that she is separate from me only. Whatever she has done, and that she is separate, and she is separate from me, and I am pure soul. I am pure soul. Kiran is separate from me. And whatever is written in the Charan Vidhi, just set those sentences in the Charan Vidhi. Then we have to. Well, yes. And so now whatever has happened, what Kiran has done, settle those files of Kiran with equanimity. And I should not protect Kiran's mistake. Now I should, Kiran is separate and I am separate. Whatever you have heard, that is good for you, okay? Whatever. It says, whatever you are saying, you see, it says right, you see, just you remain in 5 agnas and it will remain separate. Next one, Sanjay Bora. Whatever. My highest namaskars to you, Pujishri. I have a question that my question is, don't search for anything, says Kripadev. Just do you think, will you find a gnani by searching? That's the question. What is this searching kriya? You see, what is wrong with it? You know, you get a job when you search for a job. You get a wife when you get a search for a woman. And will you not get a gnani when you search for a gnani? Just imagine, you know, all day the cockroaches and the ants are searching for sugar, you see. But you know, you were careless when a little bit of sugar is lying here and there in the kitchen, but next thing you know, there is an ant over there. In the same way, the hungry person will always get what he is searching for, you see. Whatever you hunger, you will get that. Now the one who is desirous of liberation, what do you want? Okay. What is the point of talking about a woman when you are already married? You see, you have already received the Raina Sile. So be happy, my friend. Next one. Varsha, next question. And I have the question from last night, Samait. I said, yesterday there was how can we say file 3? No. We are calling destructible as destructible and indestructible as indestructible. Shuddhatma within is indestructible, and I am over, I am Nada, I am Katya. That is the destructible. You see, you have to understand. But inside there is the ignorant Bhavi as well as the Gnani Bhavo inside. But you are not there. You are neither the ignorant Bhavi nor are you the ignorant Bhavo. You see, you are whether there is whatever it is not you. That is the number 2 within. You see, number 1 is the peripheral body complex, the Mangaldas. Number 2 is the Bhavo Bhavi, the intellect, ego, and the Chit complex. And number 3 is you, the Raina Sile. You see, you know, whatever it is there. But in this afternoon Samaik, you know, I could see it separately, you see. On that, any day when you get confused, why don't you do the Samaik and the next day you do the Samaik, and so keep on doing Samaik day after day, and this will help you. You see, through the tap you will get this. But when I have so much heavy illusion, then what shall I do? No, it is decreasing. Don't say I have heavy illusion. It is decreasing. You see, it is all breaking away. The huge iceberg is having cracks that are forming, and it is all going to fall into the ocean only. You see, it is all. But you don't ever complain. Don't complain. You see, when you tell your husband, he spoiled my life, my husband did all this, he did this, etc. No. Be grateful, you see. Next one. Next, Jai Sachidanand Puja Deepak Bhai. I already got my answer of the first question, but the Gnan that happens he's asking in Hindi, that ego is the Pratishthitatma, right? You see, it is and when the Pratishthitatma receives Gnan, then he becomes free, and then he becomes the Gnan Swarup. No. At that very second he becomes the ignorance leaves in the Gnan Vidhi, and then the new things Anubhav, Lakshan, Pratiti arise. Pratiti is 100%, and 100%, and Jagruti awareness is 15%, and experience is 2% only. And as the veils fall off in discharge, then the experience will rise through the 5 agnas, you see. And through 5 agnas, you will come into the experience. Yes, Sachidanand. Pratibha Virpara is the next one. And Girish Patel, Pandya in ATPL. Now, Next one, please speak. Yesterday you had said that we have to settle the file of Ragdvesh, of dislike and aversion. Yes, but I have difficulty with expectations in Rag files, you see. And when I do not keep expectations, I feel like that I become dispassionate without any interest. Yes, so what shall I do with reference to the Rag file? When it is not that, you see, when there is Rag file, there is automatic expectation, and when it is not fulfilled, do not fight and do not clash, you see. And when you see, when clash happens, when your expectation is not fulfilled, at that time do pratikraman, you see. But I feel that yes, there is expectation. Yes, it is, because there is rag. Yes, in the satsang you have the expectations. You see, you see. Yes, in satsang there is a apeksha too. That is why when you enter the kitchen, you see, when you enter the kitchen, there is the expectation of food. You see. But when the expectation is not fulfilled, do not get upset and do not raise a temper tantrum and don't become difficult, don't become obstinate, don't have dvesh reaction. You see, when don't enter into conflict when your expectation is not fulfilled. Next one, Girish Pandya. Now on page 182, Dada says that on this page he is saying this and on this page he is saying that. What is? Will you please explain? It's the same thing. The self by ignorance is bound, and through knowledge he is free. That's all. Just this, the gold is there. You see the gold as a bangle, but it is when you see as a bangle is the situation. But you see, but if it starts believing that I am a bangle, but if it believes that, you see, but it is gold only. Gold is gold only. And so when it becomes the gold, then it will go as a ring, as a bangle, or as a necklace, etc. As a necklace, you see. So you see, then when you see, so the gold chain goes around, the pawn shop, and then you see, and then when it's finally put in the safe deposit box, then it is free. It remains gold. But otherwise it moves around as gold in different forms, either as a bangle or as a gold ring, or etc. You see. In the same way, out of ignorance, I am over. There is suffering, and there is suffering through I am over, and through Shivan Rayana Zile, I am the pure soul. There is no suffering. You see, through over, you are suffering in so many different forms, and through the Rayana Zile, there is no suffering at all. Next one, Lakshmi. Next one. Then Laji Ben, some more. Labu Ben, Rajkot. Now this gentleman is asking a question. Okay, no, sorry, lady. My throat. When I scold somebody and I hurt his feelings, do I have to do pratikraman? Obviously, yes, you have to do pratikraman when you have scolded your son or your daughter or somebody else. And if it's possible, turn it around from within, you see, and make a decision that you do not want to scold anyone, you do not want to exercise your ego in anyone. Make him understand, make her understand gently. But if do a lot of pratikraman, if you use the wrong words when you try to make somebody understand, you see, when you scold somebody, you see, and you must have repentance within that you have hurt his or her ego. But then afterwards, of course, it happens, you see. So now that's all. The next one. Let's leave everything else. Now, next one. Siddhanand Pujyasri. After doing Atmatma, after when in Samayik is the way to separate from all the karma effects in discharge. Yes, that is correct. In ignorance, the subatomic particles that were charged, we will get discharged, and they will get discharged only. We have to remain in the S capital self only. We remain the overseer of it all only. Next one. Labuben Ashok Surti. Okay, Jai Sachidanand Deepak Bhai. Yesterday you talked about the Siddha Stutis yesterday. Shall we separate and speak, or shall we speak as when I say I am a Guru Lagu Swabhav Vadocho? I am. You see, my anger, greed, deceit, and pride are of Lagu Ben. Which yes, that's fine. You say keep separate and remain separate, and then yes, we are in the Siddh Stuti. I am a Guru Lagu. I am indestructible, I am infinite knowledge, I am infinite vision. That is what we want to experience in the Siddha Stuti. So be the self and speak of the self only. Jai Sachidanand, what is he saying? Next one. Yes, she has some other. No. Somebody is trying to say this. The question, there is apparently Deepak Bhai did not understand the question. You know, guys, when you why don't you understand? Why don't you ask the Patha Putri for any remaining questions? Jai Sachidanand. That's all, you see. Somebody pointed out to Deepak Bhai that he did not understand the complete question. No. It's just meet the Apta Putri and finish it off. Okay, next one. And Devyani Shah is the next one. My question is, the gentleman's. My question is, I am Shuddhatma, I am Manan. One is the wrong belief, one is the right belief. What do you want to ask? I had a dream. It has got. I have come here since May 5. When we were remaining in the rain, I had a dream that I was sleeping, and I saw Lord Simandar idol in the showcase. I saw Lord Simandar. Oh, the door is open of my home and you came in between the two of us. You were doing the darshan of the Lord Simandar, and then I woke up, and then I asked you, did you come alone? Then he said, no, I didn't come alone. I did not come alone. Niruma is also here. And yes, and then you left from the same house. Behind you, I also walked behind you. When I came to the main gate, Niruma was also standing there on the main gate, and around her, and there were all the Aptaputras were there. So many Aptaputras were there, you could not even count the number. And then my eyes opened. It was such a magnificent dream that I cannot even describe it. For 4 months, on May 5th I came, and there is a lot of grace since then. You see, that's very good. Jai Sachidanand. Next one. Jai Sachidanand, Deepak Bhai. Dada is here, Krishna Bhagwan is there, the Bhavi Tirthankars are there. Do they have a body? The Bhavi Tirthankars, there is no subtle word. They all have a body only. Even if they are in the celestial beings, they have a body. They all have a body, you see. They all have what about the future Tirthankars? They are all there. You see, even the future Tirthankars, they have a body only. Except for the Siddha Kshetras, there is only the Siddha. You see, there is the Dada and Simal Swami and Niruma, they all have a body, you see. Now, the next one. So somebody from Chicago now asking a question. Vijay Patel. So this is Devang. Deepak Bhai signaling to increase the volume of this, but okay, now. Jai Sachidanand, Deepak Bhai. I have already written my question. If there are 108 beings go to moksha in one samay, and they come from the non-named universe into the universe that is of the names, of Vyavahar Rashi to Vyavahar Rashi. So, but there is the Brahmand is constant. Then the Lok has got a Vyavahar Rashi, and in this Vyavahar the number is constant. Then there is the Vyavahar Rashi. There are infinite beings there, and they have no names. And you see, in the Vyavahar, in the center, once they come in the name, then in the name, whether it's an insect or a human being, etc., their number is constant. And then there are infinite beings that go to moksha also. Next one. Then Jai Sachidanand, Deepak Bhai. This is from Chicago. I have one question. How can one Gnata see another Gnata? How can one gnata see another gnata? You see? How can one gnata see the other gnata? You can say that I can see the gnata, the gnata sees the gnata, you see. The knower can see the knower, you see. When you are aware that I am the knower, in the same way you should be aware that the other person within is also the knower, you see. So if there is a shop inside, and if you got a and if the shop next door is dark, that means you know the owner is not there. But when there is light inside the shop, then you'll know that the owner is inside that shop. You see, in the same way. So when the knower sees the knower, you just see the light. Yes, in other words, when the knower sees the knower, there is nothing to be done. The knower is aware of the knower. I am the blissful knower, and what I am seeing is the body complex. I am seeing over, and I am also seeing the knower within him. You see, the gnata. I am the knower, I am the blissful one, and I am seeing Uve or Katya or Nara, and I am also seeing the knower within them, the gnata within them. You see, just as you are the knower of your own file, that knower in that file is also the knower of the file of over, you see. So this is the exactness when we get this, when we get this keys, we can go into the exactness of this, you see. Okay, when we see, when you are the file, the knower of the file one, then the other person also is also the knower of the other side. Therefore, there is no rag dvesh on the field stock, no matter what Uve or Nada may be doing, you see. Next one. When we do the Samayik of 2, file 2, to settle the file with equanimity, if they, when they are not present in this life, no. Your rag dvesh is what it is. You see, whatever nimit cause, whatever rag dvesh within you, the person may have gone away, but your rag dvesh is the reason why you really need to do the pratikraman. That is all, and then that file is gone. Yeah. Next one, Nitabin. Jai Sachidan. Next one. When we do the Samayik of separation, when we feel like when we do the Samayik Pratikraman, etc., is that all? If Samayik Pratikraman is also discharging only? No. That is under the Purushartha. We consider it beneficially for the Purushartha of Moksha. This is a part of the Agna 5, VVPS, Vidhi Vachan Pratikraman Samayik that you do. It is part of the Satsang in Agna 5, you see. It is whatever is beneficial for what is, yes. You see. You see, when in this satsang, if you say file 1 is listening and I am the knower seer, not a single word of the satsang will go in. You see, at that time here you have to become absolutely tanmayakar and absorbed in all the words that are happening in satsang. But before samayiks, you see, I used to wait when will the samayik will end. But now in these samayiks that have happened, there is not enough. That is enough. The time is not enough. Then what's the problem? The answer is your awareness is increased, and because your awareness is increased, you enjoy the samayiks. Samayik increases because you are doing the exact samayik, you see. Samayik is no fun because you are not doing it properly, because there is no awareness in samayik, you see. And we have given you an entire train of samayik. We have given you this magnificent gift of all kinds of samayik inside. People carry a box of candies, but we have given you the ultimate box of the candies of the self, of the bliss of the self in all the samayiks, the 8 samayiks, the 8th one being going to happen just now, you see. Excuse me. So now let us now do this Pratikraman Samayik. Jai Satchidanand. Let us do as what Machya. When I am pure soul and this is not mine, so I am Ishvin Rainesile and this I am the knower and the seer, and mine is the non-self, but I is still there. You see, now the I has gone to the main place, and Before it was in the my, you see, now the I has come from the my into the I only. The my is on the other side, it is a file 1, it is a over, and that is the exactness that we need to have, and that is what we really need to separate, okay? And yes, and so now when the one who says not mine, he has come home, you see. Okay. Okay, right now. Now the time for Samaik. I think Deepak is going to take into Sam. Let us take this Samaik now. One more question left apparently. Jai Sachidana. If you do not speak, then the thief will walk away with your wallet. You see. You said that many times you know, but you are not seeing it separate. This is, you see, so when you know, but you see, but supposing, you know, this is a very subtle question. The question is, you know, the Deepak Bhai says that if when you speak, the conversation means you are saying, and therefore you are in exact knowing, you see, when you converse, you see. So when you say because when it happens that it is happening to me, no, it is happening to Sandeep, it is happening to Uwe, you see. Because this, to understand the separation, that is what is called the joining. When seeing means to see the separate. Yes, we know that it is all the Uwe is separate, but when you talk with Uwe, about what is happening, then you are actually in seeing it. Because Uwe does not remain separate from you, you have to talk to Uwe. Uwe, you are doing this nada, what is happening to you? What's going on with this file of yours? You see, so you talk to her from within. Now let us do a very nice Samaik. Now, today in this Samaik, just as we are separate and the file 1 is separate, now we have to see the other person as that he is pure soul and the other person's file is separate. Many times we say we do not see the pure soul in the other person, that we have opinions about Nada, opinions about Katya, opinions about the other person, you see, and we have all kinds of opinions about that, and because of those opinions, we fail to see the pure soul. You see, the moment we say grit is like this, then we forget to see the pure soul within grit, you see, and so through the 5 agnas, we want to separate grit and her mind, speech and body and opinions about her from the Vrynasila within her. By applying the agnas, grit is separate, grit is relative, and her Vrynasila is the pure one. She is flawless, you see. You see, grit is this way, grit and she is the pure one. Yes, grit is like this. This is grit's filled stock, but she is the pure soul. But he says by the first 2 agnas are applied now for the other person in this Samaik. The 3rd agna, grit, is under the influence of scientific circumstantial evidences. So let us remain in the present. And she is a file for me right now. You see, the grit is a file for me. You see, so I have to settle that file with equanimity. That is why, you see. Why? Because you see, I am having unpleasantness towards her. I do not like something that she is doing. So there is the wrong opinion about that. And because you see, because I have some unpleasant things account with her, every time she is in front of me, I am having some negative feelings, and therefore I have to settle that file with equanimity. She may not do it again. You see it with me, or so. What is opinion? Opinion is defined is saying that grit will always do that. That is the entrenched opinion. No, no, she is a pure soul. It is the filled stock that is within her that is coming out. You see, no. But you see, if I become angry, then then I say that this is on the basis of my anger. I hurt grit. You see, so then you see, then I am in the repentance mode. You see, but in the same way, if she has opinions about me, then but she may. But the other person may be repenting her faults, you see, and so she has to wipe her mistakes. We do not have to do any rag dvesh for her mistakes. She is not eternally angry or anything like that. Her filled stock, this came out, her filled stock, this came out, and so So, but you see, she may have come to invite me for dinner, and because of my negative feelings towards her and old opinions about her, I do not listen to her, and I negate her, and I walk away from her, and I have dvesh and aversion towards her. Now, today I am going to see the Shuddhatma of grit and everyone that comes in my life, and I want to remain as the S capital self, and I want to clear off the opinions about him or her through this knowledge of the self. And this is a samaik of the other person too. Just as I am the pure one, and this is file one, the other person is also the pure soul, and it is his or her file one which is under the control of Vyavasthit, and she is not at fault at all. She is flawless at all, and it is in essence, if it happens to me, no, I am separate and Shuddha is separate. In the same way, she is separate, she and grit is separate. You see, so there is not a question. It is her filled stock only that is in that way I can have equanimity towards her filled stock. You see, and I have remained in the Agna, and nothing will remain. You see. So whatever are the sticky files that are happening, we should make when we cannot make adjustments when Rag Dvesh happens. That is the fill stock. We need to clear it off with this knowledge. This is the Gna special spark. It is through the five agnas only that this will all clear up. You see, it is through the knowledge, the Gnan only, and the five agnas, relative, real, Vyavasthit, is handling the fill stock, etc. We will become free. We have to adjust these agnas. You see, we have to apply the adjustment of the agnas. We clear off the other files. Everybody understand this? In this, we have to keep on resetting the agnas again and again, that she is relative real, he is relative real, Katya is relative real, Uwe is relative real, Rudiger is relative real, Gata is relative real, etc. See, and then you will enter into the experience of the self. You see, and you will become free from the faulty vision, and it will be replaced by the flawless vision. And you will not be receiving any negative vibrations from him or her. And this is what needs to be attained and achieved with every human being in your life, which are your files, and they need to be settled with equanimity through or with the application of the other agnas of our Gnani Purush Dada Shri. And so I am the pure soul, and the other person is the pure soul. That awareness must not be missed. And these are the opinions of Uva, these are the opinions of Shuddha, these are the opinions of Grit, these are the opinions, whatever it is, we need to keep it separate. You see, we need to do this Samaik. Therefore, the opinions are of the non-self. I am the blissful one, the knower. The opinions are under the SCE, and I have no insistence in the opinions. You see, yes, the opinions have arisen out of ignorance, and knowledge will dissolve it. You see, and so. And you see, through the ego-intellect complex and the opinions have arisen, and through prajna and the light of the self, and through this Samaik, these opinions will dissolve. And we need to apply this in Samaiks. You see, we need to have this constantly, just not in Samaik, so that no situation and no matter what anybody else may do, it must not affect us. We must not, no matter what grit does, you should not be affected at all, because you are constantly in this relative real vision, in the vision of the Agna 3, in the vision of the Agna 4, in the vision of the application of these five Agnas, you see. And this way, Gnan will increase, and you will become absolutely still, and you will be in the applied awareness of the Gnan Agna, and then you will be in the increasing awareness of the five Agnas, and through these five Agnas, and your Rag, Dvesh with other people, and your opinions about other people will all get washed away. So this is the specific Samaik today, on that especially the sticky files, remember all the, just take one or two circumstances with a sticky file and apply the five agnas. You see, take one specific file with a very bad circumstance that happened in a sticky file, and then apply the five agnas in so many different ways with reference to your opinions and her opinions, etc., and her separation between the Raina Sile and the non-self complex. And you see, whatever has happened is Vyavasthit, therefore the intellect will shut up completely, you see. And then as you apply the five agnas and as they come into your experience, then the intellect will not be needed and the intellect will shut up completely. And therefore there will be no opinions there at all, you see. And then you will become the Buddha Dasha, the state of the state without the intellect, and that is. But initially now, even when you try to apply, it goes away, you see. But the more you apply it in exactness, then you will come into the exactness of this state, you see. So uh, let us now that get into the uh, let us get into these events, you see, in the by now. So let us clear it through the agnas, you see. So let us do the vidhi now, and but let us do the vidhis. Let us, whether it is only one, it doesn't really matter. But let us solve it through the gnan and through this awareness of separation, and separate the other person too. So let us do the vidhi. Speak now. O Dada Bhagwan, the Absolute Self within me. O Shri Simandar Swami Prabhu, the Absolute Lord in Mahavide. With the exact applied awareness of the S capital Self Shuddh Upyog, with reference to sticky files, whatever because of opinions, the faulty visions have arisen, rag dvesh interaction happens, and then and clashes happens and interferences happens, and let me see those events and situations. Let me apply the understanding of the five agnas. Let me see the other one absolutely pure self only, and let me wash off the opinions about that person completely through Gnan. Let me do such a Samayik. Grant me the energy to do such a Samayik, my Lord. I surrender the mind, speech and body, all illusions associated with my name, bhav karma, charge karma, dravya karma, subtle discharge karma, yellow glasses, no karma, gross discharge karma. O Dada Bhagwan, the Absolute Self, you are the manifest Absolute Paramatma within me, and it is at your feet that I am surrendering them all. I am surrendering them at your divine feet. I am surrendering them all, my Lord. Shuddhatma Chu, Shuddhatma Chu, Shuddhatma Chu, Chu, Shuddhatma 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 Chu, Dhatma Chu, Shuddhatma 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 Chu. Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand. You do a great Samayik, Jai Sachidanand, Jai Sachidanand. And they are going to do the Aarti now.
सर्वास्य सादा भगवाननी साक्षी वर्तमाने महाविदे क्षेत्रमादिचरता तीर्थंकर भगवान श्री सिमंदर स्वामी ने अत्यंत भक्तिपूर्वक नमस्कार करूँ છું. भरत क्षेत्रे हाल विचरता सर्वज्ञ श्री दादा भगवान ने निश्चय ही अत्यंत भक्तिपूर्वक नमस्कार करूँ છું.
हे दादा जय सतचित आनंद निरंजन सिद्ध हरिहंताणम हे दादा ते मूढ़थि चरम स्पंद मुख मुद्रा मन हर जन वल्लभ मुरली मनोहर ज्ञान सुधामृत आह्यांतर निर्ग्रंथि समरस दशा अहो वितराग अनुपम आत्मानंदी पुष्टि वचन बड़ निष्कामी करुणामय पल पल प्रगट दिवो आ ज्योति जड़हड़ जग आखानु ताड़ो दड़ दड़ प्रगट दिवो आ ज्योति जड़हड़ जग आखानु ताड़ो दड़ दड़ निरभेदी आबूद पड़ छंद अनंत गुण जय सच्चिदानंद करुणा सागर हे परमात्म मोक्ष संबंधी शाश्वत शरणम मोक्ष संबंधी शाश्वत शरणम मोक्षताये अशरीर भावे शरीर छताये अशरीरी भावे विचरे सर्वज्ञ तेने वंदन करूं छूं दादा भगवान ने नमस्कार करूं छूं भगवान ने नमस्कार करूं छूं मुकनो राजी पोज्ञानी पर તેથી જ મહાત્માઓ કરી શકે નીડર કોઈ પણ મહાત્માને ઉપસર્ગ આવે ત્યારે કોઈ પણ મહાત્માને પરિસહ આવે ત્યારે દાદા છે બેઉ હાથું મોકલે છે લશ્કર આખું મોક્ષદાન સાથે અભયદાન ખાસું હૃદય કમળમાં દાદા જ સ્થાપું મૂર્ત મૂર્ત મોક્ષની જ્ઞાન ભક્તિ પ્રાર્થું દાદા દાદા બોલતા ન થાકું દાદા 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 બોલતા ન થાકું દાદા દાદા બોલતા ન થાકું. So we have the darshan of our Gnani at the end of the Parayan of Aptavani 8, at least for the 2013 session, and we have entered into it in the beginning of the section 2 on the Who Am I portion of it, a magnificent book to give. After one reads the initial book on self-realization is this book of Aptavani 8, as we do darshan of our Gnani, on whose basis this revival of Akram Vignan and the knowledge that is in the heart of the Tirthankar is happening within all of us. Through whose medium Bhagwan na असीम जय जयकार हो ओ दादा भगवान ना असीम जय जयकार हो 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 दादा
असीम जय जयकार हो। राधा भगवान का 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 असीम जय जयकार हो। राधा भगवान का
Gnata seeing the Gnata, the knower seeing the knower.
भगवान का असीम जय जयकार हो। राधा भगवान का असीम जय जयकार हो। राधा भगवान का असीम जय जयकार हो। राधा भगवान का असीम जय जयकार हो।
जय सच्चिदानंद शुद्धात्मा भगवान।